Hey, how are you guys doing? Today I'm going to be creating a really easy look. Not like my previous video where I said I was going to create an easy look or a natural neutral look, but it turned out to be like colorful. So yeah, today I promise it will be an easy natural look. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And if you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That would be so awesome. I just noticed that people do view my videos, but they don't really give it a thumbs up. So yeah, just saying, let's get on with the easy makeup look. So first I'm gonna prime my face with the Benefit Porefessional because like I said in all of my previous videos, I think I have really big pores, so I love this primer because it just helps, you know, lessen the visibility of my pores. So yeah, just whacking that on, mostly on my cheeks and here, and also a little bit on my chin where I have a lot of breakouts. Then I'm gonna use the Revlon Colorstay. This is in the shade Natural Tan, and I'm gonna use that on my blender. What is this called? It's not a beauty blender, that's the brand name. A sponge. Yeah, that's the name. I'm gonna just dot it on my face. I'm not even gonna bother like trying to cover out those blemishes because that's just gonna really stress me out. So whatever the foundation covers, that's all I'm gonna do with these breakouts. Well, they're actually not like breakouts. They're just blemishes that I'm trying to get rid of. So yeah, blend. So next is concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm gonna put that underneath my bags, my eye bags, and also on my lid to take out some of that discoloration. And then I am gonna take my brush and just blend that in. Just using tapping motions to blend my concealer out. So that's all blended out. I'm then gonna pick up some of my Airspun and looking up and just setting my under eyes with that. And then I'll do the same with my lids. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder on a fluffy brush. So what I do is I tap, yes, it has my name on it. I tap in the brush, and then let me just reach for the cover. I use the cover to tap the excess off even more, and that's when I go in and just start patting the powder into my skin. Now I have oily skin, so I need this powder. If you don't have oily skin, if you have dry combination skin, then you don't have to powder, or you can powder a little, just not as much as I'm using. But yeah, if you have extremely dry or just dry skin, then I would suggest not to powder because that will look more like cakey. It'll make your makeup look more cakey and the powder will catch on to the dry patches of your skin. So yeah, just a quick tip there. And also don't forget where you blended out your foundation on the jawline as well. Okay, so next I'm taking my Rimmel bronzer. This is in the shade Sun Dance and it has a little bit of a sheen to it, which I am actually liking. This is what I'm going to use to bronze just across my cheeks and also on my forehead and temples. And then on my jawline, I'm going to use this Morphe bronzer. It's a matte one because I don't want any shimmer on my jawline. So I'm using a matte bronzer instead, just to give an illusion that I have a visible jawline. And don't forget that double chin. We're gonna make an illusion that I don't have a double chin. Taking my powder brush and blend that into the skin and like down to the neck, so there isn't like a harsh line right there. I mean, sometimes I still do that mistake, like right now you can see there's a harsh line there, but yeah, I try to blend it out because I don't want to, like when I look on my side, I don't want that to be super duper visible. So just blend. Okay, since I went a little bit ham on the bronzer, I just cleaned up the sides, so I'm gonna let that bake. Now I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild, this is the brow mascara, and I am just gonna brush that through my brows. So when I'm in a rush but I need a little something something on my brows, this is the only thing that I do, and it works. I'm happy with it. You know, you don't need like defined clean brows every day. There are just days where you just want to throw some color on, and this really helps out fill in those like little gaps. So yeah, I love this product. See, that's looking much better. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to take the bronzer that we used on the jawline and just taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend that on the crease. So just back and forth, windshield wiper motions. You don't have to be like precise and clean with this because we're just adding a wash of color on the crease. Okay, so once you have that laid down, you're gonna take your highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglo, what is this called? Precious Petals highlighter, which I'm gonna use on my cheeks later on. And I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm just gonna press that on my lid. So this is just gonna add a sheen to the eye. It's just gonna make everything like look bright. So as you can see, I added some on the inner corners as well. And then I'm going to go back to that brush that we used our bronzer on and just give it a quick blend. So next, I'm going to tightline. This is my Rimmel Scandalize in black. So when you tightline, I'm just actually going to tightline my upper waterline. I look down in my mirror, and I just glide the pencil through. This is very tickly, but I have to do it. It just makes my lashes look like, look at that. It makes them look more thick, right? And then we're gonna curl our lashes. So this will help them get ready for mascara. So what I do when I curl my lashes is I go to the root, and then I move the lash curler to the middle, and then I move it to the front. So yeah, it gives me that lifted eye. So I'm just gonna do more pumps here on the inner corner. And then right after I curl my lashes, I follow it up right away with mascara, just so it holds that curl in, because my lashes are quite stubborn and they like to like go flat after a few seconds of curling them. So this just, ooh, I just blobbed mascara. We'll fix that later. So this just helps that out. Okay, so mag-shift muna ako sa Tagalog because I'm gonna be promoting a local makeup brand by my friend Mickey. Her brand is called HIRAYA, which I'll show you the products later on. Kaya wala pa akong blush kasi gagamitin ko to para sa blush and also sa lip shade ko. So ito yung mga products na i-giveaway ko. I'll insert the photo and the swatches para makita nyo sila. So, insert now. So, meron siyang 4 cheek and lip stain shades. So, this is the first one. Ito yung shade na Marikit. Ang ganda nung packaging niya, di ba? I love it. So, ito yung parang orangey shade niya. And then, next is, ito naman, it's called Mucha. So, this one here. I love the packaging as well. Ang ganda. So, ito yung mga reddish shade niya. Next is yung Mayumi. This is what it looks like. And the packaging is so cute. So this is yung mas like magenta shade niya. And the last one is Mahinhin. So this is what it looks like. Ito yung pink shade niya. So yeah, ito yung mga i-giveaway ko, guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-enter ng giveaway, nasa baba or nasa description box yung mga rules on how to enter the giveaway. So, make sure na basahin nyo yun. And, wag kayong mag-alala, free shipping naman. Ako bahala sa shipping nyo. Pero, unfortunately, pang Metro Manila area lang ang aking kaya. Hindi ko pa kayang pagpunta ng probinsya. So, yan. Basahin nyo na lang yung description box para malaman nyo kung paano mag-enter ng giveaway. So, gagamitin natin yung shade na Marikit sa cheeks natin and also sa lips. Kasi favorite ko to. Ito yung mga orange shade niya. Wait lang. Bago tayo maglagay ng blush, magpa-powder muna ako ng nose. Kasi ang shiny na ng aking ilong. So, ang gagawin ko, it's actually a roller applicator. So, ang gagawin ko is, I'm just gonna, kunin ko lang yung mirror ko. I-roll ko lang to sa cheeks ko. As so. I like a lot of blush. Tapos, I'm gonna use my brush to tap that in my skin. So, tap, tap, tap lang. Alam ko yung iba medyo scared maglagay ng cheek tint kapag full face of makeup, like may foundation, tapos nag-powder na sila, and all that, kasi takot sila baka magulo yung base nila. Pero, ang trick lang kasi dyan is, you just tap and you don't. Well, actually, ito kasing foundation na gamit ko, maganda siya. It really does stay on the skin. So, I can swipe around it a little bit. Pero, just remember to tap, tap, tap the product. Yan, nagbe-blend na siya. Ang ganda niya, oh my gosh. Favorite ko talaga tong mga orange shades as blush. At saka, honestly, itong tint na to, you have a lot of playtime with it. Hindi siya yung magsiset agad-agad. So, may oras ka pa na i-blend siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. And then, kukunin ko lang yung sponge ko. So, the sponge, and I'm gonna tap it around this area. Ang ganda niya! Oh my gosh! Okay. So, I'm gonna do the other cheek and I will be right back. So, bago tayo mag-move on sa lips, maglalagay muna ako ng highlighter because you know me, I love my highlighter. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Sorry, medyo nag-overboard ata ako sa highlighter, but we'll fix that. Okay, dahil medyo nag-overboard tayo sa highlighter, I'm gonna take my sponge, spray it, wiggle it around a little bit, and then, tatap ko lang siya on top of my highlight para lang mag-melt siya into the skin. So, moving on to lips, I'm gonna use the same shade, Marikit, para sa lips ko. Ngayon, as you know, sobrang crusty ng lips ko. So, kanina, bago tayo nag-umpisa mag-makeup, naglagay lang ako ng lip gloss all over just to let it like sit onto my lips para maging less crusty siya. So, alagay na natin. Hindi ko natatanggalin yung lip balm. Diretso na tayo with the lip stain. So, tatap ko lang siya with my finger. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. Eh, yung lips ko kasi, meron talaga siyang discoloration dito sa top. So, I'm just gonna add more dito sa top. And then, I'm gonna let that sit for a bit. Patuyuin lang natin siya konti. And then, ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh. I love that. Hindi kasi talaga ako fan ng cheek, ng stain rather, para sa lips. Ewan ko, hindi ko lang talaga siya natripan. Pero this, ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya talaga. Okay, kasi trip ko lang, maglalagay ako ng clear lip gloss. Well, this is clear na may glitter particles. Gusto ko lang i-try kung ano magiging itsura niya. Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Shucks, ang ganda niya. I love that combination. So, ito na yung finished look, guys. Sobrang happy ako with this lip shade and these cheeks. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. Favorite ko talaga tong shade na Marikit. This orangey shade. I love it so much. So, again, congratulations to my friend Mickey for her brand called HIRAYA. I will leave the link to where you can buy these products down below. So, make sure i-check nyo yun. And again, also check nyo yung description box para malaman nyo kung paano mag-enter nitong giveaway na to receive these amazing cheek and lip tints. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maraming salamat for 100 subscribers. Actually, 100. More than 100 na tayo ngayon. Pero thank you so much. So, para sa inyo to, para sa mga subscribers ko na nanonood lagi at nagsistay tuned sa mga videos ko. Thank you so much. So, yeah. Ang ganda ng kinalabasan, 'di ba? I love this. Ang ganda talaga. Look at that with the highlighter. Anyway, so, again, paki-subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nagsasubscribe, please mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko. At saka, give this video a thumbs up. Isa yun sa mga criteria, or, tama ba? Criteria. Isa yun sa mga kailangan yung gawin, kung ano man ang tawag doon, para mag-enter ng giveaway na to. At matanggap nyo sila. Ang cute nila, di ba? Ang gaganda nila. Ang ganda ng packaging. Ang ganda pa ng product. So, yes. I will see you in my next video. Bye!